Hi, Gil Gonzalez here. If you're watching this video, it is highly likely that I will be your child's government teacher. I am a social studies teacher at Plant and a swim coach, have been since 1993, have taught government, studied government as a political science major, and looking forward to teaching government in these very interesting times for our government. One that I'm sure that we're going to pull through on. It's more important than ever that kids understand the importance of government and how it is set up and its intended purpose. So I know that these videos or these introductions are usually 20 minutes in a classroom, getting to know the teacher and materials needed. Suffice it to say that in a 1-minute video that we won't be getting to all that. As far as materials, because that is important, I would just say to learn Canvas, and there is a fire drill happening right now. So learn Canvas, learn Canvas, learn Canvas, and I'm signing off. Thank you.